Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed the different types of blood cells like red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Now, we are discussing about different types of blood groups. Children, in our blood, mainly four types of blood groups are present. Mainly four types of blood groups are present. They are blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. These are the four types of blood groups present in human beings. These blood groups was first observed by Landsteiner. Landsteiner first time observed different types of blood groups in human beings. Landsteiner was a German doctor. Landsteiner was a German doctor. Children, in these four blood groups, AB blood group persons can receive blood from any other groups. So, AB blood group persons are known as AB blood group persons. Are called universal recipients. Children, AB blood group persons are known as universal recipients because AB blood group persons can receive the blood from any other blood groups. Hence, AB blood group persons are known as universal recipients. And children, blood group O persons can donate the blood to any other blood groups. Blood group O persons can donate the blood to any other blood groups. So, O blood group persons are known as universal donors. Universal donors. Universal donors because O blood group persons can donate blood to any other blood groups like A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group persons also. So, O blood group persons are known as universal donors. Children, these four blood groups are present in the human beings. Now, we can identify the blood group in our blood. So, first of all, we can do the activity of identification of blood group in human beings. Children, we can identify our blood group in our blood. So, first of all, we have a aim. What is the aim? Identification of identification of blood group. For do this activity, we require some apparatus. What are the materials required for do this activity? Children, first of all, we have blood identification kit. Blood identification kit. Glass slide. Wax pencil. Disposal needles. Cotton. 70% alcohol. And toothpicks. These are the apparatus required for do this activity or identification of blood groups. Once again, children, blood identification kit, glass slide, wax pencil, disposal needles, cotton, 70% alcohol, and toothpicks. These are the apparatus required for identification of blood group. Now, children, in blood identification kit, different types of components are present. They are, first one is anti-serum A, anti-serum B, anti-serum RHD, porcelain white plate, wax pencil, needles, and instruction manual. These are the components present in blood identification kit. In blood identification kit, anti-serum A, anti-serum B, anti-serum RHD, porcelain white plate, wax pencil, needle, and instruction manuals are present in blood identification kit. Okay, children, now we can do the activity. So, procedure. Children, first we take one porcelain plate. This is porcelain white plate. Clean and dry the porcelain plate. The porcelain plate must be very clean so that it does not interfere with the reactions. Okay, children, first we take one porcelain white plate, clean and dry the porcelain plate. The porcelain plate must be very clean so that it does not interfere with the reactions. Okay, children. Now, with the help of a wax pencil, draw the 3 circles on the plate. With the help of wax pencil, draw the 3 circles on the surface of the porcelain plate. So the porcelain plate is divided into three parts. Divided into three parts. Now one in each part as put a marks A, B, or H. So the porcelain plate must be divided into three parts with the help of wax pencil. Okay, children. Now place one drop of the corresponding anti-serums near the edge, but with each of the circles. Okay, this is anti-serum A, this is anti-serum B, this is RH serum, anti-serum. Children, place one drop of the corresponding anti-serums near the edge of the circle, but within each of the circles. Okay, children. Now choose a finger. Clean the finger with an alcohol in a cotton ball and let it dry. Children, now we select one finger. Clean this finger tip with the help of a cotton ball and let it dry the finger. Keep the cotton ball nearby us because it is needed again. Dangle down the selected hand to increase the amount of blood in the figure. Okay, children. Dangle the hand down to increase the amount of blood in the fingers. Okay, children. Now press the bottom of the fingertip with the thumb of the same hand and quickly prick the fingertip with the help of a needle. Okay, children. Quickly let one drop of blood and get into each circle, but not touching the anti-sera. Do not touch any of the anti-sera. Now, children, we prick the fingertip with a needle, then the blood comes out. Now take the blood in 3 circles. Okay, this is blood. Okay, children. Now after putting 3 drops of blood, apply gently. Press the wound with cotton ball. Okay, children. Now use a toothpick to mix the blood and anti-serum and tear gently with the toothpick. Do it for each of the circle using a fresh toothpick every time. The wax pencil circle will help to keep the sample isolated. Now watch to see if any of the samples show agglutination. The agglutination will appear as the grainy clumps of red blood cells suspended in a clear solution. RH slower to agglutinate, so do not give up too soon. Now, children, the table is the determination the blood type depending on the result. Okay, children. Anti-serum A, anti-serum B, blood type. If agglutination take place in anti-serum A, yes. Agglutination is not occur in anti-serum B. So the blood group is A. Egg yolkation does not take place in antisera A. Egg yolkation take place in antisera B. So the blood type is B. Egg yolkation take place both antisera A and B. So the blood type is AB. Now egg yolkation does not take place in both antisera A and antisera B. So the blood group is O. See children, this is the table. The egg yolkation take place in antisera A. Egg yolkation does not take place in antisera B. So the blood group is A blood group. Egg yolkation does not occur in antisera A containing circle. Egg yolkation take place in circle B. So the blood group is B. Egg yolkation occurs both circles containing antisera A and antisera B. So the blood group is AB. AB. Okay children, now the egg yolkation does not occur in antisera A and antisera B. So the blood group is O. So in blood groups A, B, AB and O are the different types of blood groups. Dependent on whether egg yolkation occurs in antisera A and B, clumping may or may not occur in antisera RHD. If egg yolkation occurs in anti-RHD serum, the RH factor is positive. If it does not, the RH factor is negative. Okay children? Okay? So this is the identification of blood groups in human beings activity. Okay children? In next class we will continue the another animal tissue, muscle tissue. Okay children? Thank you.